Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Assalamualaikum to all of you. Good morning to all of you again. I would like to thank Allah, who is the most gracious, benevolent, merciful and forgiver. I'm really thankful to hardworking teachers, prestigious guests, and distinguished people who have come today and spared some time for this competition today. Today I'm going to talk about what is the value of encouragement in a student's life. Before moving ahead, I would like to share a beautiful quote. Food is necessary for daily life. And education is necessary for future. And encouragement is important for every second of your life. I want to talk about the encouragement within the parents, encouragement within the students, encouragement within the teachers. Basically, I'm talking about three different personalities. What is the importance of encouragement? Once upon a time, there was a student who was sitting in the class, and he was really sharp, and he understood all kinds of concepts in the class at the time. Once, he missed a few classes. He missed a few classes just because he was feeling sick. When he came back to the class and he asked the teacher, "What are you writing on the board? I cannot get you properly. What should I do?" Of course, teacher might have given extra time or other things. You might have think about like that. But teacher started scolding him. Teacher started abusing him in the class. Literally, the brilliant mind got lost. The brilliant mind has lost the confidence in the class at the time. Steadily and gradually, student lost his capacity of the mind. He was not able to ask a question from the teachers, even from other teachers to whom he did not ask a question. He failed in the exams. When he failed in the exams, the parents didn't ask a single question. They started scolding him again and again. Again, when he came to the house and went for playing cricket and soccer, and friends asked the question, "Oh my friend, what happened? We have heard that you have fell in the exams." Before knowing anything else, the friends start laughing at their guy. Again, he lost confidence and self-esteem in the eyes of teachers. He lost his self-esteem in the eyes of parents. He lost his self-esteem in the eyes of friends as well. Slowly and gradually, he was thinking that nobody respects me, even at my workplace, at my school, at my home, and my relatives. When he passed the matriculation, and somebody asked the question, "What is your future plan?" Of course, you might know about the future plans about yourself, that you have to become a doctor, engineer, chartered accountant, teacher, professor, or civil servant officer. The little kid answered, "I want to attempt suicide." What is the future plan? He said that, "I want to attempt suicide because I don't want to live in this world anymore. I passed the matriculation because I thought I can pass the matriculation, but from right now onwards, I don't want to live in this country, in this world, because nobody respected me. First, I want to say my parents do not respect me. They don't know what are my weaknesses. I was sick, and that was natural. I was sick, that was natural. I told my teacher I could not attend the class for several times because I was sick. He was not trusting on me. It was not my blunder. It was just a request to my teacher. Please, re-explain the topics because I was sick. I want to learn more." But he, not only avoiding me in the class, but he was scolding me and he was laughing at me for the several times. He killed my confidence. He killed my life. He murdered my future plans. That's why I want to attempt suicide. When I told everything to my parents, They didn't bother to listen to me anymore. And my parents started scolding me. My parents murdered my emotions, my feelings. They did not encourage me. Similarly with the friends. My future plans to attempt suicide. I know that it was a very emotional story, but what should I do? What should we do? It is a request to our teachers. Please, don't kill the minds of small, innocent kids. For example, the teacher, you might be a father of someone. Treat the students like your kids, like your sons and daughters. Don't treat them simply as customers. If you treat them simply as customers, you may not kill one boy daily, you can kill millions of innocent kids on a daily basis.